flooded, Dave. The water is coming off of that road. Amazing.
Look how the water is coming across the road.
Yeah.
It's going to wash that road out over there. And where we live, my property that I just bought over there, it's flooded and the water is flowing across. Out of all that land, only 1/3 of it is dry. The rest of it,
Flooded.
I've never seen the creek is rising fast.
Yeah, I mean, look.
And over here,
This pipe wasn't
where we live, that's Manawananui,
yes.
and it's flooded. You can't cross that.
Right.
And then there is a 25-foot river wide flowing down, which is a minor creek, and it's torrential. It's unbelievable. I've never seen so much rain. It's really bad. When we first moved here in 2011, we saw the creeks get full, but never this. This is 10 times worse than we've ever seen. It's still raining, torrential rain. Unbelievable. The property where I took down the trees, there are just outside of the property, there's full trees floating down the big creek now that used to be a tiny little creek. Maybe that's what I should have done. I should have just laid them on the ground, because this water, I saw full trees floating down there.